Hey guys, Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? I hope you're having a great and wonderful day today. First thing I want you to do, guys, is go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. And for everybody else, welcome back to the channel, guys. Okay, this is an affiliate marketing channel. And you probably landed here because you're searching online right now for a way to make some extra money. Maybe just to supplement your income if you're working a job, or to possibly replace your full-time income. But either way, you've landed at the right place, okay? Because with this particular program we're going to talk about today is called the Postcard Tycoon, okay? As you can see right now, you're looking at the postcard. That's one side. I'll flip it over in a minute. But this particular program was created in 2016. I joined it in 2016, okay? And have made lots of sales with this program. It's a postcard program, okay? And it happens to have also a website that's included for you for people, so people can go to your website and they can take a look at the website and get more details. So this postcard is really just the driving force to get them to go to the link. As you can see, my link is on here, thepostcarddiva.com. Okay, so they get this in the mail, they go check it out, and you'll get a website as well. Okay, and your ID is going to be on the card. I'm going to show you what the generic one looks like. I just happened to change it to put this on here. All right, so you're going to make $300 for every sale that you get with this program. There's no pass-ups. You keep all your commissions. $300 over and over and over and over. Okay. Now, what I like about this program, it comes already included in your starter kit, 250 postcards just like this, full color, and 250 leads of people that's interested in making money from home that you can mail out the gate. All you need to do, open your box, get your stamps. Okay. And put your labels on it because your label's going to be included. Just throw your labels on it, and you just need to buy stamps. That's a starter kit to get you going. It's going to give you 250 cards and 250 leads to get you going. So you're going to have a tangible product in your hand. Okay? So that's what's different than a lot of the programs that's out here right now. It comes with like your master copy, and you've got to go make copies of everything. This one's going to come automatically with 250 full color cards and leads included. Okay? Now, as you can see on this card, it also states what the company is giving you that I haven't seen anywhere out here. Okay, it's going to give you some, the 5 and 5. Okay, it's called the 5 for life. Okay, as you can see there, it says free stamps, free leads, and free postcards on every 5th sale. They have what they call the 5 for life. Every 5th sale you make, the company is doing this. They're going to mail you 500 postcards, 500 stamps, and 500 leads on every 5th sale over and over and over for life. Okay? So that's an unbelievable deal that you're getting there. Okay? Now, as you can see on this card too, there is a sizzle number. You can call that number, okay, and check out the message. Check it out. So that comes with a message as well. So this is a great postcard program. Business in a box ready to go for you that includes a website, okay, and you're going to get a money order, okay, and the payments are going to be directly in your name. There's going to be 2 money orders, a $300 money order, and there has to be a $198 money order for the company, the admin, okay. You're going to send those 2 money orders, one in the person that you signed up name and one in the company name, and the instructions will be on the website, okay, but you'll send both of those money orders to the company, and then they're going to send the payment out, okay, and they're collecting the payments because they need to keep track of every 5th sale, because on every 5th sale, as I mentioned, they're going to mail you 500 leads, 500 postcards, and 500 stamps, okay. So that's what the card looks like. Let's flip it over so you can see what it looks like on the other side. Okay, and this is the other side. This is the side that your prospects will see, because as you see that white box, that's where the label will go. Okay, so when they pull this card out the mailbox, they're going to see their name and address on that label right there. Okay, but they do see that it says here it's a popping, the colors pop and it is compelling. So look at it. Would you like $300 payments in your mailbox? Who wouldn't? You see a guy there with some money. Then it also tells you about the 5 for life. Okay, the 500 free postcards, names, and stamps. Okay, and would you become a tycoon? How would you like to become a tycoon? Okay, so, and then it has the 24-hour sizzle number on there, that side as well. So this little postcard is 4 by 6. Okay, so it's the standard size. It's not the big one, so it's only going to cost you 35 cents per card. So literally, you can get 1 roll for $35. Okay, so you're going to save a lot of money. You don't have to have any envelopes, any letters, any of that. This is strictly postcard only. Okay, so now when you join me as a bonus, I'm going to give you an extra 250 leads. I'm going to mail that to you. Okay, once I receive my payment, make sure you reach out to me, and that way I can get your mailing address, and I will mail you, once I receive my $300 payment, my commissions, I'll mail you an extra 250 leads. So you're going to end up with 500 leads, okay, just by joining the program. And you're going to have cards to get you started going with this, so that it will at least get you going, okay? So that's what's significant about this. But what I want to show you now is, what do you really get with it? So let's dive into that. Hang on. Okay, I am on the website. This is the same website you're going to receive as well. And I just want to dive into what's included. Okay, I want you to hone in on that, because that's important, guys, because you're going to spend your money. So what are you really getting? Okay, and I want to have you guys get into a program where you're going to actually have a tangible product. You're going to have something in your hand, not just a master copy of something and you're just shifting money around. No, you actually getting a product with this, and I'm going to show you that. Hang on a second. Okay, this is on the website, same website you're going to have, but what I wanted to hone in on is, here's everything you get when you order the Tycoon. Okay, master dealership certificate. Okay, so you're authorized dealer to be able to resell the Tycoon over and over. You're going to get a report. You're going to get the 5 for life bonus. Okay, that's what I mentioned to you before. Okay, every 5th sale, the company is going to mail you 500 cards, 500 leads, 500 stamps. It also comes with CD-ROM. This is tangible things that you're going to get in the mail. A box that's going to include all this stuff. CD-ROM, mail order, black belt, success manual, 101 ways to improve direct mail response, mailing list sources, directory, dealer rights, access to a print and mail service. Okay, and then you're going to get your 250 leads and 250 postcards, as I stated. Access to a push button easy print and mail printing company. Okay, the recorded message, the 24/7 to help boost and energize sales, and you get the website, the same thing I'm looking at right here. But tangible, you're going to get this CD and this mail order manual right here, okay, and then directory to your mailing list, okay, not to mention you're going to get your cards, okay, so you're actually going to have something tangible, and that's what you want, okay, so that way you're purchasing a product, basically, is what I'm saying. So it comes with a product, and I haven't seen anything else out there that's providing this type of material. And again, this came out 2016, okay, 3 years ago, okay, so this program has already been proven to work. So you definitely want to get with something that's already been proven to work. And this company has quite a bit of other programs I've been a part of. Okay, so I stand behind it. And not to mention, you're going to be paid directly, and that's what you want. So now you can market this online with your website. Okay, your same website I'm looking at right here. I'm showing you all this you're going to have access to. And I'm going to show you how the card looks with your ID on it, because it's going to have your ID on it. Okay, so this is a nice full color website here. Okay, and it basically is explaining what you get, and then it also shows you how to go ahead and join. As I stated, you're just going to mail in 2 money orders to the one address. And I recommend doing that priority mail with a tracking number, okay? And then let me know once you've done that. And right here, they stress this all over the site, the 5 for life. Okay, that's a great incentive right there. That's what made me want to join it initially, the incentive for that, and then you automatically get right here the 250 cards and 250 names, okay, in your starter kit. Okay, so make sure you're doing your homework when you're checking these things out. Everything sounds good, but what are you going to really get with it? And most people out here are on a budget getting started. So this is going to help you because it's going to come with cards and leads ready to go. And then I'm going to throw in an extra 250 leads for you. Okay. And you're going to be making $300 guys on every sale. Okay. That's powerful. Very powerful. Not to mention that every 5th sale bonus. Okay. So I just wanted to highlight that for you just to re-emphasize what's really included. Because most programs don't really come with anything. Okay, they just come with, hey, here's your master copy. And now you got to go make copies of whatever it is. Okay, but this actually comes, the starter kit includes cards for you to get started out the gate. Okay, and that's what I want to bring to you today. Some value. What are you signing up for? So let's look at a card. Let me show you how yours would look with your ID on it. Okay, this is what your card is going to look like, and your ID at the end. Mine is 1690. Okay, so this is what it would look like, but I went ahead and just put a domain on mine. Okay, but this is what it will look like, and it will take everyone to the website that I just showed you. Okay. Okay, so back to the website. It even has a FAQ section right here. So you can go here on the website, and most of the questions that you ask will be right here. And if you have further questions after looking at this website, feel free to give me a call. I'll be happy to explain that to you guys. Okay, but very powerful $300 commissions. Okay, 100 stamps is only going to cost you $35 for this. Okay, so with that being said, I'm going to put the link below so you can check out the Tycoon. Okay. And let me know if you have any questions. And again, when you mail those 2 money orders in, make sure you mail them priority so you can track them, track that letter to know that it got there, when it got there and it was received. Okay. And just communicate that with me, the date is supposed to be delivered, so that I can be on the lookout for my portion. And then once I receive it, I will send you 250 leads, okay, to help you get started, okay? All right, guys, so that's all I've got for you today. Go ahead and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload. And I look forward to working with each and every one of you guys. All right, you guys have a blessed day.